Hello everyone, myself Sanjay Lamthamang. Today I bring for you all a classical Espagnole brown sauce recipe. Please do watch video until the end. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home or workplace. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई भिडियो अन्त्यसम्म हेरेर साथ दिनुहोला र आज भने तपाईहरु माझमा मैले ब्राउन सस यानी कि स्प्याग्नल सस को रेसिपी ल्याएर आइसकेको छु। एकदमै इजी वेमा छ र सिम्पली वेमा ल्याएर आएको छु र भिडियोलाई अन्त्यसम्म हेरेर साथ दिनुहोला है त। A classical Espagnole brown sauce recipe for about 2 cups. Ingredients: 2 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup mirepoix finely diced onion, carrot, celery, 2 cup brown stock beef or veal warm, 2 tablespoon tomato puree, 1 banquet garni, thyme, parsley, stream, bay leaves, salt and pepper to taste. Instruction: saute the mirepoix in a medium saucepan. Melt the butter over medium heat. Add the mirepoix and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until slightly browned. Make the brown roux. Stir in the flour and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until golden brown, stirring consistently. Add the tomato puree. Stir in a tomato puree and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the stock. Gradually whisk in the warm brown stock to avoid lumps. Simmer. Add banquet garni. Reduce heat and let it simmer gently for 30 to 45 minutes, skipping off any foam or fat. Finish. Remove the banquet garni, strain sauce through a fine sieve and season with the salt and pepper. Please always visit my profile, have a look, many more recipes are there, and follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends. You can use my recipe at your home or workplace. Do you have any question? Yes, feel free to always comment any of my post, or you can send it to me direct message. Thank you very much. Love you all. See you next in the video. Stay healthy, stay safe. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ सबैजनालाई र माया र साथ सपोर्ट दिनुभएकोमा र तपाईहरुको मायाप्रति म धेरै आभारी छु र तपाईहरुले मेरो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर आफ्नो कार्य अथवा आफ्नो होम घरमा पनि मजाले सजिलैसँग युज गरेर इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। स्वस्थ रहनुहोस्, मस्त रहनुहोस्, जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ व्यस्त रहनुहोस्।